So after a long night, I got 2 legs built. So now we have to join them to the back of the bear somehow. So I have all the panels cut now over here. Got to do some more bends and stuff, but hopefully by the end of the night, I'll have a complete bear. So you can sort of see how it's coming together now. It's huge! It's got a big butt on it. Yeah, this thing's looking pretty cool. I don't even know how I'm going to get it out of the shop. I don't have a door big enough to get it out right now. So I got a bunch of small little welding to do. But the next time you see it, she'll be all together.